Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S22 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S22 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now in full colors. You guys can see there: platinum white, platinum black, pink, gold, and green are your color options here. Two storage options, of course: 128 gigs or 256 gigs. The 128 gig is $799.99. And the 256 gig is $849.99. So yeah, so pretty cool there. And both storage options are in stock, and all the colors are in stock. Yep. So that's pretty cool. So let's go check out the Galaxy S22. It looks like the Galaxy S21 from last year. Of course, y'all guys know that by the design, except for the S22 has newer hardware in it, obviously. So yeah, if you guys have the Galaxy S21, it's up to you if it's worth upgrading to the Galaxy S22. It's up to you, you know. So yeah, so of course, you guys have your hole punch, your front-facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone, in-display fingerprint sensor. On the back here, you guys have your triple camera setup along with your camera flash, Samsung logo on the back. You guys have a telephoto, wide angle, and a ultra wide angle lens on the back. This is the front there, like I said, hole punch for your front-facing camera, earpiece, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Your SIM card is on the bottom of the phone, alright? That's the front. That's the side. This side has nothing on the left side. Like I said, your SIM card is on the bottom. The camera do stick out just a little bit there on the back, so do keep that in mind. There's the back of it, of course. You guys have your 3 cameras. You guys have an ultra wide angle, and the telephoto lens on the back. Camera flash, Samsung logo. Power and volume keys on the right side. That's the front again. Right side, power button, volume keys. And there's the back of the Galaxy S22. So the Galaxy S22 has 3 cameras on the back, like I said. It's a 50 megapixel optical image stabilization autofocus wide angle camera with the f1.8 aperture lens, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with the 3x optical zoom that has optical image stabilization, like autofocus, f2.8 for aperture, then a 12 megapixel fixed focus, f2.2 aperture. That's an ultra wide camera. It does have a flash. It has portrait mode, space zoom, single take, night mode, directed view camera. You guys get 21.86 hours of 4G usage time and 15.53 hours of usage time on 5G. 10.83 days of standby time. The dimensions are 2.78 inches in width, 5.75 inches in height. Alright. Let me expand this here. So it says here, make the Samsung Galaxy S22 the smartphone that takes video to the next level. Communicate with friends by watching the latest videos from your favorite content creators, or create your own content with beautiful clarity with low light video capabilities that capture those late nights with perfect contrast, color, and crispness like no device before. Capture every moment like a true filmographer when you shoot video clips in the high resolution camera. And with the long lasting battery, you don't have to worry about missing out on the action ahead, and can charge quickly when you need with 25 watt super fast charging capability. Alright. Perfect for all your content creation needs. Rewrite the rules of light when you shoot videos with night mode. Basically, night mode. Use the high resolution camera to capture beautiful video in 8K and make your latest viral hit truly amazing. Take stunning portrait style photographs and keep your subject in the spotlight with portrait mode, featuring up to 3 times optical zoom, enhanced image processing, and intuitive features. Enjoy a better viewing experience right on your smartphone. So it has the vision booster thing, which I think that's new, so pretty cool. View everything on your smartphone in pure crisp color with Galaxy S22's smooth bright display. Our brightest screen yet ever. You can catch it all when watching your latest content creators' top videos or streaming your favorite shows on the go. And all their battery to keep you going. The Galaxy S22 comes with an intuitive battery that helps manage your usage and conserve battery power to keep your device running all day long. Share, stream, and scroll when you want without experiencing dreaded low battery issues. The Galaxy S22 has a 3700 mAh battery, so not too bad, super fast charging capability, of course. It says need to charge, it won't take long. The Galaxy S22 is compatible with 25 watt super fast charging, meaning you can charge your device quickly and dive right back into the action. I wish this chat thing would go away because I don't care about that. They can go pound sand on that. It says here, powerful processing capability. Wait less and do more of what you love thanks to the incredibly fast 4nm processor found in the Galaxy S22. Stream in high def video, chat with others, stay on top of what's trending in real time at the speed you need for your life. But the phone, incredible processing power. Premium design for everyday life with a classic eye-catching glass metal design. You will stream, scroll, and shoot in style with sleek Galaxy S22 preemptively crafted for everyday life. And with 5G capability, you can connect to lightning fast speed. It says live sharing with Google Duo. So this only works with Google Duo, I believe. It says everything is better together. Share your viewing experience with friends and family when you co-watch YouTube videos from anywhere with Google Duo. Live sharing, enjoy video group watch parties or stream together from anywhere with your favorite people. So y'all guys watch YouTube videos, Netflix, or whatever, so it's a great way to have fun and stay safe, so it's pretty cool. Features on inspection is fine, are really good, obviously. Y'all guys get 3 cameras on the back, 50 megapixel wide angle, 10 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back with flash. Usage time 21.86 hours on 4G, 15.53 hours on 5G. It's Standby time 10.83 days. 10 megapixel front facing camera with autofocus, f2.2 aperture lens. Height 5.75 inches, width 2.78 inches, depth 0.3 inches. The Galaxy S22 weighs 5.92 ounces, so not too bad, you know. It has USB Type-C, of course, that's pretty much standard now. Color options are platinum black, platinum white, green, pink, gold. It has a haze finish, 120Hz refresh rate, 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The screen size is a 6.1 inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Full HD plus Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. 3700 mAh battery, fast charge, wireless charge, PowerShare video. Front camera records at 4K. The rear camera can record at 4K and 8K video resolutions. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Processor is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 platform, octa-core, Android 12 with One UI 4.0. You do get 2 storage options. 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of RAM and 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is no SD card support. Mobile hotspot if you're on 5G. Wait a minute, what the fuck did that say? That said 3G? The fuck? Huh. So if you're on 3G for some fucking reason, you guys can connect up to 5 devices at one time. If you're on 4G, 5G, you can connect up to 10 devices. Fingerprint sensor, your security options, a fingerprint sensor, which is in the display, and face unlock. Bluetooth 5.2, Bixby, Google Assistant, hearing aids, 5G, 5G ultra wideband, 4G of course. Global roaming network, world device, works in over 200 countries. Depending on what plan you have, it does have Wi-Fi. It don't tell you like what. I think it has like the newest Wi-Fi. I think it does have like the newest Wi-Fi technologies in there. So pretty cool. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S22 prepaid smartphone, Verizon has you covered with that with device support. So it said Verizon Online Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. What comes in the box? Not much really. I mean, it's not much. You guys get the Galaxy S22 data cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, terms and conditions, pre-install SIM card, quick reference guide, and that is it. No charging brick, nothing like that. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is now available at Verizon Prepaid. Both storage options are in stock and all colors are in stock currently as of this video recording. It's $799.99 for 128 gigs or $849.99 for 256 gigs. So yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.